See the lightning flash, then hear the thunderclap. The storm approaches. But if you hear me at the same time as the flash, the storm is very close indeed. Invisible to the eye, I start as a vibration, a mechanical movement, a speedy oscillation. The vibrating source pushes and pulls the air around it. The air is called a medium. Its molecules carry my energy from source to destination. More energy at source, louder the volume. Volume, also known as amplitude here. Traveling waves of energy pulsing outward from where they began. From ear to ear, the mechanical vibrations carry me. A slow vibrating source make for low notes. A speedy vibrating source make for high notes, some of which the human ear cannot detect. But without a medium to carry me, I cannot travel. I can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. In the vacuum of space, I do not exist. Whales in the oceans, humans on the land, and birds in the air all have their songs with which they use me to communicate with. What am I?